The U.S. government is weighing sending Bradley fighting vehicles to Ukraine as part of a further package of military support, people familiar with the matter told Bloomberg. A final decision hasn't yet been made. When the vehicles would be operational is also unclear, said the people, who spoke on condition of anonymity to discuss the sensitive issue. Mark Kainshin, a former White House defense budget analyst, said that Bradleys would provide a major increase in ground combat capability because it is, in effect, a light tank. Kainshin added that crews and maintainers would need to be trained on operating the vehicles. Unlike the previously provided M113S, the Bradley is heavily armed with a powerful 25mm gun and tow anti-tank missiles. The United States has many Bradleys, though some are older and need upgrades, so inventory is not a problem, Kainshin, who's now with the Center for Strategic and International Studies, told journalists. Kainshin adds that it will be several months before Ukraine can deploy these vehicles at the front, because crews and maintenance personnel must be trained first. Bradley is more than a worthy rival for Russian infantry fighting vehicles and its T-72 tanks, said David Perkins, a retired U.S. general and Iraq War veteran. From past agreements between the United States and partners, it is known that 89 combat vehicles in the Bradley M2A20DS modification cost $196 million, being about $2.2 million per vehicle. Those agreements also included receiving 25mm autocannon, 7.62mm machine guns, anti-tank missiles, and other related equipment. At the same time, the United States is planning to replace all of its Bradley armored vehicles. In 2021, the U.S. Army selected candidates under the OMFV program to develop a replacement for this infantry combat vehicle. The Defense Department plans to spend $4.6 billion on the OMFV program between fiscal years 2022 and 2026.
Любая война всегда ведется в начале как война прошлого. Мало этого, армия, которая побеждает, это всегда не та армия, которая начинает. Так было в любой войне.
А у нас всегда так.
Нет, это не у нас, это в любой войне всегда.
А у нас особенно.